Welcome back to day 14, and today we are looking at event handling in JavaScript. So an event in JavaScript is an action that occur on your web page, like the click, the submission of forms, or the mouse hovers. And using JavaScript, we can handle these events and trigger some custom functions to make our web pages interactive. So today we are going to look at a very basic thing um, that will sum up or wrap up all of this, and that is a counter. We are going to create a counter button. So we are going to create a counter that starts at 0, and each time the user clicks the increment button, the counter increases by 1. And then we update the counter value by modifying the text content uh, of a span element. So we said we are going to create a counter. So let's write a HTML code, that one, and then inside here we are going to write a h1 element and then a button. So h1 element with an id that equals to an id that equals to sorry, the first thing we are going to write is the h1, just an h1 element, and inside the h1 element we are writing counter, and then still inside we put a span with an id counter, id equals to counter 0. That is the first code, and the next is the button with an id increment button with an id increment button. Increment button, and then we name that as increment. So that is it for the HTML code. Next is the script code. Now we are going to declare let 0 the counter, so let the counter equals to 0, and then next is counter display let counter display equals to um, document dot query selector dot query selector, and then we call by an id of counter. Next is the increment button. So you say let the increment button equals to document dot query selector, and then we call it the increment button. That is it. Next, we are going to increment the button. We are going to add the event listener. That when the user clicks on the button, it calls on the function to add the numbers in the counter. So increment button dot add an event listener, so that when you click on the button, it calls a function that counter plus plus, that adds the counter double. That is the first one. And then next you are going to update the counter. We're going to update the text in the counter. So you're going to say counter display dot text content equals to counter display dot text content equals to the counter. So that is where we updated the counter value by modifying that span element using the text content. Let's see what this code will display. We said it has an increment button, such that when you click the button, it will add the value here. So let's confirm that. You see, when you click the increment button, the value of the counter increases. So that wraps up the event handling in JavaScript. If you found this video helpful, consider liking, subscribe, and click on the bell icon to get more episodes of our 30-day series. Thank you.